Hi, I'm Jonas Urba. I'm a New York employment lawyer here with Employment Law Reality Check, talking to you about damages for employment discrimination. It's probably the most important topic we discuss. Damages. How much is your case really worth? You can find out by just Googling New York State Division of Human Rights orders, and that'll give you hundreds of decisions that have been decided by the New York State Division of Human Rights. And you'll be surprised probably to find that a small percentage of those cases were won at administrative hearing. Why is that? Because you have to set up an employment discrimination case very well from the start. You want to make sure that your attorney spends time to draft a demand letter that has all the important facts in it. And that might take, sometimes it takes me a day, it could take me an entire week. If you have strong facts and your case is a little more complicated, it could take an attorney 1 week just to draft one demand letter. Why do you do that? Because if you don't do it right the first time, you're going to have to file a complaint. If you have to file a complaint with either the Division of Human Rights or the EEOC, the chances get smaller and smaller that you're going to prevail. Because if you end up having to go to a hearing, your chances of winning are probably only about 1 out of 3. Most employment cases settle. They get resolved either at the Division of Human Rights with a mediation, with a conciliation conference, or at the EEOC with a voluntary mediation. If your charging document or your complaint does not look really strong, then the employer probably is going to have no incentive to try to resolve it. So look for those decisions. Look at the New York State Division of Human Rights orders, and what you're going to find is probably that 25 to 30% of the cases are won, the rest of them are lost. And the damages that you'll see are probably not going to be as great as you think they are. They might be $20,000, $30,000 for wage losses, maybe $5,000 or $10,000 for emotional distress damages. But that doesn't mean that's what your case is worth. It just means that those cases didn't resolve early on because probably the demand letter and the case itself was not set up right from the start. Make sure you do that, and then you'll have the best possible chance of getting a recovery, not having your case dismissed. So call some employment lawyers and decide which lawyer is spending the time with you to get all the important facts, because that takes a lot of time up front. Call some employment lawyers, call me. I'm Jonas Urba. I serve the entire state of New York, and I can be reached at 914-366-7366.